Hey guys, so in this video we are going to talk about how can we get free certificates from IITs, because we know that even if we have knowledge, but if we have certificates, so it will help in getting a job. So let's see. So first of all, let's search NPTEL. Okay, so NPTEL is the organization or the body that's providing these certificates from IITs. So let's go to the website. Okay, let's go to the courses now. See, here are NPTEL courses and medical courses. So if you are a medical student, you can go for medical courses, and if you are an engineering student, or you can go to NPTEL courses. So let's go to NPTEL courses. So here are many courses. See, applied linear algebra, computing high performance, ACM Winter School 2019 on high performance computing, fundamentals of electric vehicles. There are many courses. You can take any courses, and these are from top quality institutes of India. See, IIT Madras, IIT Bombay, IIT Jammu. See, and here you can filter out. Let's say you are a student of computer science and engineering, so you can just click on computer science and engineering. So you will get only the topics of computer science and engineering. So deep learning for computer vision, data structures and algorithm using Java. But you will see, notice that even if you click on the courses, you'll go to the course page, but the thing is that you won't get any certificates. You can learn, you will definitely get the knowledge, but you won't get any certificates after completing these videos. So what you have to do is, you have to go to this website. This website is swayam.gov.in. So you have to go to this website, and in this website you have to sign in or register. Okay, so let's do that. To just sign in and register. If you are new to this website, just register or sign in like me. Okay, so as I've already created an account, so I'm going to just sign in. Okay, now I am signed in. So let's go to all the courses. Okay, here you see the catalog of all the courses that we can find in this website. Okay, see, so here is the topic of the course. This course is on animations. Here the instructors or the mentors of this course. In this course is Dr. Abhishek Kumar, and this is the university that is offering this course. So Banaras Hindu University, BHU. So these are all the, and there are many. The duration of the course is down below, 15 weeks. This is 15 weeks course. This is a 16 weeks course. This is a 16 weeks course, and the course content will be given with time. Okay, so it's not that all the course content is given all together. So it will be given with time. Okay, like every week they will update the course content. So you will complete it after 12 weeks if it's written 12 weeks. Okay, even if you study day and night, you won't, because there is no content given, right? And you will be given assignments to complete. Okay, now the certificate that you will get, it's a value. Okay, why is it a value? Because like other certificates in Udemy, you can just tick tick everything and you will get the certificate, but this is not the case here. So let's see, let's filter it out, because I want to select NPTEL because I'm an engineering student. It's loading. Okay, these are all the NPTEL courses, and NPTEL courses will be from IITs. Okay, see, IIT Bombay, IIT Kanpur, IIT Madras. Okay, so this is on basic course in number theory. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see, you are interested in applied natural. Okay, There are many courses. Let's say you are interested in bandit algorithm, online machine learning. Okay, it's offered by IIT Bombay, and it's a 12-week course. Okay, so let's click on it. Okay, so here is a basic summary of what we will cover in this. They will cover in the course. Okay, so these are the prerequisites. So these are the things that you need to know before joining the course. Okay, before you join the course, you need to know these things. Otherwise, you will not be able to understand anything. So these are the prerequisites or the requirements that you need to fulfill. Okay, this is the course layout. So week 1 they will cover this topic, week 2 this topic, week 3 this topic, and they will give assignments every week. So you have to complete those assignments, and your answers will be evaluated and you will be given marks. So if you score very less marks, so it might happen that you don't get the certificate. So yes, and these are the books and references you can buy to go along with this course. Okay, and see, here is all the details about the course certificate. Okay, so to get the certificate, see, the course is totally free. It's totally free. You can gain the knowledge for free. But if you want to get the certificate also, so then you need to pay a fees of 100 rupees, and the examination date of this course, this particular course, is 19 December 2020. I don't know if this is fixed because of the COVID situation, but let's see. For this course, it's 19 December, morning session 9 a.m. to 12 noon, afternoon session 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. So it is occurring 2 times a day. So the criteria to get a certificate is average assignment score is 25% of average of best 8 assignments. So of all the assignments, they will choose the best 8 assignments that you have performed the best in. Okay, all the assignments, they will choose the 8 best assignments that you have performed the best in. Okay, so of the total 12 assignments, because it's a 12-week course, and they will calculate the 75% of the exam score, which is out of 100. Okay, so let's say you have scored 80 out of that 100-mark exam on this date. So they will do 75% of that, and the marks you have got from this assignment. So they will club it together, and if it's less than 40, you won't get the certificate. Only if you get more than 40%, you will get the certificate. Okay, so these are the details. You can join. So if you want to go to my courses, just click on here and you will see my courses option. Go to my courses. If you have joined the course, only then you will see my courses option. Okay, so let's go to this course, data structures and algorithm using Java. Okay, so see, here is the introduction of the course. The prerequisite, the same things. The professor who is teaching this course, and the same thing. You can just read this out. And here will be the assignments. This is assignment of week 0. I have completed that. Okay. So it will be in MCQ format, so you can do it pretty easily if you know the topics, obviously. And all the lectures aren't that amazing. You might need to refer to some other sources, so mind that. Okay, so this is all. Bye.